Apricots are well known for their sweet and pleasant taste. Their distinct and wonderful flavor make them easily enjoyable on their own and are often included in many baking recipes. Not only are apricots delicious, but they are also incredibly nutrient dense and can help to promote our overall health many different ways. As well, they can provide an energy boost during the day. Let's discuss some of the amazing health benefits of consuming apricots consistently. First, as previously mentioned, apricots are loaded with healthy nutrition for our bodies. They contain many different types of vitamins, minerals, and other important nutrients that can promote our overall health. More specifically, apricots contain high levels of vitamin A, vitamin C, potassium, vitamin E, manganese, and copper to name a few. They are also high in dietary fiber and contain many different antioxidant compounds. Apricots can also help to reduce inflammation throughout the entire body, which can help prevent certain diseases and boost our immunity. Studies have shown that apricots contain potent anti-inflammatory compounds that are effective at treating and reducing inflammation, including chronic inflammation. This can have benefits for those individuals who suffer with rheumatoid arthritis and diabetes. As well, apricots can help to eliminate free radicals in the body, while also preventing oxidative stress and disease, such as heart disease. Regular consumption of apricots can also help to protect our liver and help it to function optimally and efficiently. Apricots have been shown to help protect against liver disease and promote the breaking down of fats to be used as energy. Also, they can help to prevent and protect against liver damage and liver conditions such as fatty liver. This is largely attributed to the many different antioxidants apricots contain and to their wide range of micronutrients. They can also help to promote the health of our eyes due to the eye-healthy nutrients they contain. Apricots are an amazing source of vitamin A. This vitamin plays a vital and important role for the health of our eyes and can help to prevent eye-related ailments such as macular degeneration and dry eyes. It can also help to reduce damaging free radicals in the body that can eventually lead to vision impairment. As previously mentioned, apricots are very high in antioxidants. More specifically, they are loaded with carotenoids such as beta-carotene and gamma-carotene, as well as other antioxidant compounds. Not only does this help to reduce free radicals and inflammation in the body, but it can also help to prevent damage to our cells. They are also great for boosting the overall health of our immune system. Lastly, consuming apricots regularly can help with digestion and improved regularity. This is largely attributed to the high amounts of dietary fiber found in them. The fiber found in apricots helps to add bulk and prevent unwanted digestive ailments such as constipation. It can also improve nutrient uptake from the healthy foods we consume, prevent bloating, and improve the overall health of our digestive system. Thank you for watching the video. Please like, comment, and share. If you would like to hear about more healthy foods and food and beauty tips, please subscribe to the channel. Have a great and healthy day.